Hello students, welcome to Solutions by Anshul Chabra. Today we'll do an essay on peacock. Let's begin. Introduction. Peacock boasts of immense beauty. It is loved for its blue and green colored body, its turquoise, green, blue and brown colored feathers, and its beautiful crest. Catching a glimpse of a peacock dancing during the monsoon season can make your day. Peacock has been a source of inspiration for painters, poets, and other artists since time immemorial. Do you know? Peacock has some historical references as well. Peacock finds many references in the Indian history. Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan especially got his throne crafted in the form of a peacock. The peacock throne was embedded with numerous jewels that added to its beauty. Peacock has some mythological references also. Peacock is the conveyance of God Kartikeya. Lord Krishna is seen adorning the beautiful peacock feather on his head. It is said that Lord Indra took refuge under a peacock wing when it was unable to defeat Ravana. He then blessed the bird with courage to take on the snakes that we all know. So students, in the conclusion, we can easily write that thus peacock is not only associated with beauty and vibrancy but also holds an important place in the Indian history and mythology, thereby making it all the more special. Thank you for watching this video. If you really like our content, kindly subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.